AI animation is getting insanely powerful. And today I'll show you how to create a full animated video for free using ChatGPT, Gemini, and Grok AI. No animation skills, no paid software. Let's start. The first step is scripting and prompt creation. For this, I'm using ChatGPT. ChatGPT helps me create the story, scene breakdown, dialogue, and detailed prompts for AI image and video generation. Instead of guessing what to write, I simply describe my idea, and ChatGPT generates a complete structured script. This is extremely useful because good prompts are the key to consistent AI results. Next, we move to image generation. Here I'm using Gemini. I copy the character and scene prompts generated by ChatGPT and paste them directly into Gemini. Gemini generates high-quality images in a cinematic 3D style, perfect for animation. One important tip, always keep the same character description so your characters stay consistent across scenes. Like this, you can create images required for the video clips unlimited and free. Now comes the most exciting part, turning images into video. For this, I'm using Grok AI. I upload the image, then paste the motion prompt created with ChatGPT. Grok AI animates facial expressions, camera movement, and subtle motion, transforming a static image into a short animated clip. I repeat this process for each scene, keeping clips around 4 to 6 seconds long. Now we combine everything using a free video editor like CapCut. I import the animated clips, add the voiceover, background music, and adjust timing. Finally, I export the video in full HD, ready for YouTube. If you enjoy AI tools, tutorials, and website exploration, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More AI tutorials are coming soon. Thanks for watching.